How many times have you struggled with your research, simply because a search engine is unable to understand the legal queries that you have in your mind? What if a research tool could actually understand the facto legal matrix of your research, and show you the various statutes, authorities and case laws that you should be considering, thus allowing you to invest the time you save into the more analytical functions of your practice? At CaseMine, we understand that a clinching precedent is one that not only answers the legal issues relevant to your research, but also deals specifically with similar facts. CaseIQ, our virtual legal assistant, harnesses the power of artificial intelligence and lets you scrutinize multiple issues and facts involved in any document simultaneously. From case notes to legal notices, pleadings to orders of the lower court, you can upload and analyze any type of document on CaseIQ, thus ensuring that you don't start from scratch by allowing you to upload an entire document and analyzing its multiple intricacies the way you would read it in its entirety. Let's proceed to CaseIQ and upload a document to understand the multiple ways in which it can help you reduce the time spent on legal research, while simultaneously increasing its efficiency. From Word documents to PDFs, documents in all formats can be uploaded onto CaseIQ. For times when you want to restrict your research to a particular issue, you can simply copy that portion of the document and paste it, or upload an article by simply adding its URL. As humans, going through a document, we are able to grasp onto the essential points and understand the direction that our research should take. Can a software do the same? The answer is yes. Each result in front of you has been retrieved based on the legal and factual context present in the uploaded document, thus giving you a general idea of the direction you want your research to take. Working on the context retrieved, CaseIQ shows you case laws having the highest percentage matches to the legal issues and relevant facts of the document. These results are ranged in the descending order of relevance, with the first judgment being the highest match. So, we've got a general idea of the direction we want our research to take, the different types of legal issues involved therein. But there's a lot more to the CaseMine advantage. Use our multiple filters to further refine your search, either by adding a keyword, or adding filters with respect to a particular law or timeline. You can also refine your search by choosing specific courts. Our My Court filter allows you to choose multiple courts and tribunals simultaneously. The next feature is our Citations Found window. By extracting and collating the various judgments present in your document in one single window, our Citations Found feature saves the time you would have spent on searching for each citation individually. For example, you can simply upload a lower court order and see all the judgments it is citing in one place. Our Judge IQ feature helps you prepare better for your arguments. Understand the line of thought of the judge you're going to appear before by reading all the related judgments given by him on a particular issue, and anticipate the questions that might be put before you at court. Let's now come to our Importance Matrix feature that allows you to quickly skim through the essence of any judgment by showing you the most relevant parts of it. Each tab on the vertical line here represents a paragraph of the judgment. Darker the color of a tab, higher the number of times it has been subsequently discussed. Click on this number on the right side of a paragraph to see the different ways in which it has been interpreted in subsequent judgments. Save the time you spend on follow-up by seeing the relevant excerpt on the subsequent judgment, which allows you to understand whether a judgment was treated negatively, or distinguished against or affirmed. Say hello to our visual feature. It is an established fact that humans are visual creatures. Our chances of retaining information increases drastically when the information is associated with images. Working on the same idea, CaseMine provides you with the option of seeing all the results produced for your research in a visual format. With the timeline on the x-axis and different courts highlighted in different colors, you can find the most recent Supreme Court judgment on any issue in a matter of seconds. Judgments which have been treated negatively are highlighted in orange, whereas those which have been overruled will have a dark red circle around them. Our directional arrows show you the history of the judgment, from those important judgments that it is citing, to those key judgment where it has been subsequently cited. Let's now go on to our next tool, Suggested Arguments. By now, we understand that our AI-powered tools help you find relevant case laws in support of the arguments in the uploaded document. But can they do more? The Suggested Arguments tab shows you those arguments which are not present in your document, but are still relevant to the legal issues present therein. Still want to do a keyword search? Well, we've integrated a bit of AI into simple keyword search as well. Enter long sentences, without struggling with complicated Boolean operators. Our system understands how to break them down into relevant searchable propositions. The results you get can be further modified, on the basis of relevance, site count and how recent they are. The Cite Text tab on the left shows you those judgments which have been cited multiple times, with respect to the particular legal proposition that you are searching for, thus ensuring that you find a landmark judgment in much less time. Why spend time downloading and saving judgments on your desktop, when you can simply retain them on your personal online folder? Create a new topic every time you start a new research. Simply bookmark a judgment that you find relevant to ensure that you don't miss out on a judgment relevant to your research. Thousands of lawyers through India, USA and UK are leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to conduct research that is much more efficient and comprehensive. Say hello to the CaseMine advantage today.